Hello, my friends. Today I shared a video by Howard Lichtman about government, the biggest scam in history. And a friend on our Food Forest Abundance chat channel, Leanne, said or asked, she said she would love to do this, but nobody gives tangible details on how to opt out of the system. Well, Leanne, thanks for that good question. And I would share with you this. I've been giving tangible details on how to opt out of the system now for quite a few years. And now I am out of the system. I do not pay taxes publicly. We built 11 homes here and we did not ask for permission. And we publicly have declared that we are free. A government agent came here and I got the call. It was a few months back. And he said, I'm here to check on your permits for these houses over here, including my lifetime family home, which is a big deal for us. And I shared with him that we are not complying with government. We are here to steward the land and to serve our neighbors, our brothers and sisters, our community. We are here to voluntarily do what's right for all involved, not by the threat of force and violence. And after about a 20-minute talk, he had tears in his eyes, and he said, I will never bother you again. In fact, I would like to support you. So we just talked again a couple days ago, and I said to him, I'm not complying with you because the government will allow us to poison and kill everything. And look at what you guys have done. You've done it wrong. But what we're doing is we're doing it right, God's way, nature's way. And anyway, now I invited him. I said, we'll work with you. We'll help you do it right. But you don't have any authority to help me do it right because, well, look at what you've done so far. Anyway, it was beautiful. That's how to opt out of the system. Start by becoming self-reliant. You start by becoming self-reliant. Create your own food, water, and energy systems. Start wherever you are. If you're in a condo in New York, start wherever you are. Maybe you grow some sprouts or some microgreens, or you turn your closet into a grow room. Whatever. Just start wherever you are, and then have the goal of being completely free. Love and have a great day.